Okay, here's a job that Gino just finished here at Gianninelli. Here we're going in. Used to have cement floors. It's got all the flooring done. New paint, new fans, lighting. Kitchen painted with a boat paint. In the video, there's the man.
Hey.
Okay. There's cabinets down here. More down here. New fridge, new stove, new countertops. Got handy hooks here. The shelving. And let's go into the bedrooms. So here's the kitchen. Let's see if this works. Okay, so you can see the kitchen. This is the living area and the entry. I'm going to go into the bedrooms. There's a bedroom here. There's the man. Next bedroom, she's got her bike here. Closet. Bathroom. Got new lighting, new cabinets, new toilet, new cabinet, new countertops, hardware, shower, what do you call this? Curtain rod, special shower head for extra tall people.